August 13th, 2014, and we're in Santa Ana, California at the headquarters of Pure Aqua. Behind me is a just manufactured water treatment system that will be shipping to West Africa, specifically Ghana. The system is designed to produce 9,000 gallons per day from a well water feed of approximately 5,000 ppm TDS. Included in the system is chlorine injection, followed by multimedia filtration, followed by activated carbon filtration, followed by antiscalant injection, then reverse osmosis, and finally chlorine injection into the RO product water.